The Cloudinary Video Player provides a powerful way to deliver your videos in a customized way, but we may not always have a way to install and configure that player in our application. So instead, we can easily embed the player in any application using the cloud-hosted player. We have a few different ways for how we can set up our cloud-hosted player, starting off by building the player manually. Whether we're in a standard HTML document or a React application, we can start off by adding a new iframe where we want to define the source as player.cloudinary.com/embed, along with the parameters that we want to add to customize the player. So I'll first add my source attribute with that base URL, where we have two required parameters, a cloud name and a public ID. So I'm going to specify my cloud name of Colby Cloud Examples, where you can find your cloud name inside of the programmable media dashboard. And then we want to add an and sign where we're going to define our public underscore ID, where that's going to be the ID of the video that we want to add. Where, for instance, I have this guitar video inside of my videos folder. So my ID is going to be videos/guitar. So for my public ID, I'm going to set that equal to videos/guitar. And when we reload the page, we can see that even though it's a bit small, we have our player and it can play our video. We can see in the documentation some of the recommended settings for setting it up an iframe. So let's just simply copy that and add those all to our iframe, where the only thing we want to do is make sure we define both a width and a height, where this current video is 640 by 360. So I'll define my height as 360, and we can see that's looking a lot better when it's playing inside of our application. Now, to make this easier, you can head over to studio.cloudinary.com, where we have the ability to completely customize our player. Once I update my video source, I can even see my video playing, where I can add a bunch of standard video player features, as well as completely customize the theme. And once I'm ready, I get the JavaScript snippet if I have the ability to add that, but I also get that embed snippet, where I can now simply copy and paste this iframe into my application, where if I'm in an application like React, I might have to update my style prop, but once I do, I now have my beautiful player with the custom theme inside of my application. The best part is this works in any website or application that I can embed an iframe, like my basic HTML file, where I can embed that iframe and get that same experience wherever I want. So in review, we can easily embed the Cloudinary Video Player to get a more powerful experience for our videos in any website or application where we can embed an iframe, including basic HTML files, or JavaScript applications like React, using the Cloudinary cloud-hosted player, where whether we manually build all the parameters we want, or using tools like the Cloudinary Video Player Studio to customize the player exactly how we need.